Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Pearson, your elementary ELL teacher. Today we're going to do the vocabulary review sentences for the story Officer Buckle and Gloria. And this is from second grade Journeys, lesson 15. So for this lesson, you will need a pencil and a piece of paper, and you're going to number your paper 1 to 16. Now, your teacher might have given you this worksheet, and if so, you just need to have your name on the top, and because it already has the numbers 1 through 16. So if you need to, push pause, get your pencil and your paper, and when you're ready to join me, push play. So let's go over our learning target. I can use pictures and context clues to fill in the word that best fits each sentence. Well, success criteria, that means how will you know you're successful at using pictures and context clues to fill in the word that best fits each sentence? Well, here are our steps to success. Number 1, I will read each sentence or group of words. Number 2, I will choose the vocabulary word that best fits each sentence. Number 3, write the correct vocabulary word on my whiteboard or paper. All right, let's review our words. You do not need to write them yet. A, obeys. B, attention. C, station. D, shocked. E, safety. F, buddy. G, speech. H, enormous. All right, number 1. Everyone needs to find a blank to sit with on the bus today. Everyone needs to find a blank to sit on the bus today. Would it be safety, buddy, speech, or enormous? Everyone needs to find a safety to sit with on the bus. Everyone needs to find a buddy to sit on the bus. Everyone needs to find a speech to sit on the bus, or everyone needs to find a enormous to sit on the bus. What makes sense given our picture clues and the context of where the word is in the sentence? Buddy. Everyone needs to find a buddy to sit with on the bus today. Everyone needs to find a buddy to sit with on the bus today. So make sure you've written buddy, B-U-D-D-Y, buddy. Number 2, Tianna was blank when the frog appeared suddenly. Tianna was obeys when the frog appeared suddenly. Tianna was attention when the frog appeared suddenly. Tianna was station when the frog appeared suddenly. Or Tianna was shocked when the frog appeared suddenly. What makes sense given our picture clues and the context of where the word is in the sentence? Shocked. 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 Tianna was shocked when the frog appeared suddenly. Shocked means surprised. So Tianna was shocked when the frog appeared suddenly. Number 3, for your own blank, you should always look both ways before crossing the street. And the picture says, look right, left, and again right before crossing the road. For your own safety, you should always look both ways before crossing the street. For your own buddy, you should always look both ways before crossing the street. For your own speech, you should always look both ways before crossing the street. For your own enormous, you should always look both ways before crossing the street. What makes sense given our picture clues and where the word or the context of where the word is in the sentence? Safety. For your own safety, you should always look both ways before crossing the street. Safety. 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 For your own safety, you should always look both ways before crossing the street. It is important to pay blank during instruction. It is important to obeys during instruction. It is important to pay attention during instruction. It is important to pay station during instruction, or it is important to pay shocked during instruction. What makes sense given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence, the context? Attention. It is important to pay attention during instruction. Attention. 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 It is important to pay attention during instruction. Number 5. I was stuffed after I ate an blank dinner. I was stuffed after I ate an safety dinner. I was stuffed after I ate a buddy dinner. I was stuffed after I ate a speech dinner. Or I was stuffed after I ate an enormous dinner. What makes sense given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence, our context? Enormous. That girl is eating an enormous plate of spaghetti. I was stuffed after I ate an enormous dinner. Enormous. 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 I was stuffed after I ate an enormous dinner. Number 6. For our field trip, we went to tour the fire blank. For our field trip, we went to tour the fire obeys. For our field trip, we went to tour the fire attention. For our field trip, we went to tour the fire station. Or for our field trip, we went to tour the fire shocked. What makes sense given the picture clues and where the word is in the sentence? Station. For our field trip, we went to tour the fire station. That's where the firefighters work. That's the workplace for firefighters. The fire station. 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 For our field trip, we went to tour the fire station. Number 7. Which word goes with friend and pal? Which word goes with friend and pal? Does safety go with friend and pal? Buddy goes with friend and pal? Speech goes with friend and pal? Or enormous goes with friend and pal? Buddy, because buddy is a friend or a pal. Buddy, buddy. Buddy goes with friend and pal. They are synonyms of each other. Buddy. Number 8. The driver is safe because she blank the traffic rules. The driver is safe because she obeys traffic rules. The driver is safe because she attention traffic rules. The driver is safe because she station traffic rules, Or the driver is safe because she shocked traffic rules. What makes sense given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence? Obeys. The driver is safe because she obeys traffic rules. The driver is safe because she obeys traffic rules. Obeys. Obeys. Number 9. The girl gave a blank in front of her classmates. The girl gave a safety in front of her classmates. The girl gave a buddy in front of her classmates. The girl gave a speech in front of her classmates. Or the girl gave a enormous in front of the classmates. So what makes sense given our picture clues and where the word is in the sentence? The girl gave a speech in front of her classmates. Speech, Speech. The girl gave a speech in front of her classmates. Speech. Number 10, which word goes with listen and observe? Which word goes with listen and observe? Would it be obeys, attention, station, or shocked? Does obeys go with listen and observe? Attention go with listen and observe? Station go with listen and observe? Or shocked go with listen and observe? Attention. It could also be obeys because when you listen and observe, you might be obeying a rule, but it can also be attention. Attention goes with listen and observe. Attention. Attention. When you are paying attention, you are listening and observing. Attention. Number 11. Which word goes with huge and gigantic? Wow, that is a huge Oreo cookie. I think that's the biggest cookie I've ever seen. Which word goes with huge and gigantic? Does safety go with huge and gigantic? Buddy go with huge and gigantic? Speech go with huge and gigantic? Or enormous go with huge and gigantic? You got it. Enormous. Enormous goes with huge and gigantic. Enormous. 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 That is one enormous duck, and that is one enormous Oreo cookie. Enormous. Number 12. Which word goes with follow and do? Which word goes with follow and do? Oh, and I already gave it to you. So let's see. Would obeys go with follow and do? Attention go with follow and do? Station go with follow and do? Or shocked go with follow and do? Well, I already have it highlighted. Obeys goes with follow and do. Obeys. 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 Number 13. Which word goes with communicate and speak? Which word goes with communicate and speak? Does safety go with communicate and speak? Buddy go with communicate and speak? Speech go with communicate and speak? Or enormous go with communicate and speak? Look at our picture clues and our words. Speech, S-P-E-E-C-H, speech. Speech goes with communicate and speak. When you give a speech, you speak or communicate in front of a group. Speech, S-P-E-E-C-H. Number 14, which word goes with place and building? Which word goes with place and building? Does obeys go with place and building? Attention go with place and building? Station go with place and building? Or shocked go with place and building? Station. Station goes with place and building because a station is usually a building and it's a place, usually where people work, a workplace. Station, S-T-A-T-I-O-N, station. Number 15, which word goes with protection and no danger? Which word goes with protection and no danger? Would it be safety goes with protection and no danger? Or would buddy go with protection and no danger? Speech go with protection and no danger? Or enormous go with protection and no danger? It would be safety. Safety goes with protection and no danger. When you follow safety rules, you are protecting yourself and staying away from danger. Safety, S-A-F-E-T-Y, station, or sorry, safety goes with protection and no danger. Safety. And here's our last one. Which word goes with surprised and speechless? Looks like Patrick and SpongeBob are surprised and speechless in this video clip. Would obeys go with surprised and speechless? Attention go with surprised and speechless? Station go with surprise and speechless? Or shocked goes with surprise and speechless? What makes the most sense given our picture clues and the words I gave you? You guessed it, shocked. S-H-O-C-K-E-D. Shocked means surprised, and you might even be speechless. You don't even have words because you are so shocked. You are so surprised. Shocked. S-H-O-C-K-E-D. Shocked. All right, it's time to check your work. Number 1, buddy. Number 2, shocked. Number 3, safety. Number 4, attention. Number 5, enormous. Number 6, station. Number 7, buddy. Number 8, obeys. If you need to, you can push pause and make sure you have all of these words spelled correctly and in the right place. Number 9, speech. Number 10, attention. Number 11, enormous. Number 12, obeys. Number 13, speech. Number 14, station. Number 15, safety. Number 16, shocked. Again, If you need to push pause and make any changes, do so. And when you're done, push play. Nice work. You've mastered your vocabulary words. Up at the top, I want you to reflect, how did you do using pictures and context clues to fill in the word that best fits each sentence? Would you give yourself a 4? I could teach this lesson. I selected all the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. Or would you give yourself a 3? I was able to select most of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. Or would you give yourself a 2? I was able to select some of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. Or would you give yourself a 1? I was not able to select any of the correct vocabulary words that fit each sentence. So write 4, 3, 2, or 1. Thank you, boys and girls, for reviewing the vocabulary words and putting the correct word in each sentence. Have a great day.